All right, everyone, welcome back to the Motor Breakdown. I'm Paul from MotoAcademy.com. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe. Please go to MotoAcademy.com as well. Check things out. And we're gonna now remove the disc sprocket and the tire from the rear wheel. As discussed in the first wheel tire removal video, it does require a lot of effort. The tools do damage the rims. I'm still going to do this one anyway. Another thing though, I absolutely would not do this by hand on something that has a very hard carcass. So I'm lucky that these sport tires are actually quite soft, and I was able to manipulate them quite easily with my hands. Even with the effort required, it was still a lot easier than I think it would be on like a cruiser tire with a hard sidewall. I think it'd be a lot harder on those. So probably wouldn't do it on those at all. Here we go. We're gonna get going on the rear. This is a lot faster with the impact wrench. Do yourself a favor and do this. That was awesome. Let's turn this bad boy around. There we go. Nice. All right, nice. And while I can, just going to check the bearing. That wheel bearing is mint. Let's check the other one. Yeah, zero issues. Let's take the air out of this sucker. All right. All right, let's do this. So we're going to break that bead again. So as I mentioned, I already know that it scratches the out of the rim, so there's really no point in getting too careful. Yep. No, gotta keep going a couple more. Look at all those paint shavings coming out. It's crazy. There we go. There we go. There we go. We got it. That messed up the rim. Trust me when I say I'm lucky that the sidewalls are soft on this thing. Oh, struggling with this beat. This side here is not as easy as the other side. I can't break the side of the beat. Pretty sad when you buy a tool to break the beat and you end up using spoons. Oh, that beat is disgusting. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh boy. Oh my god. I guess we're just gonna keep on going until something good happens. My beat's broken there. I'm almost there. It's just beat's broken there. Okay, some parts are still stuck. We're getting there. Oh, this thing is stubborn, man. Oh, there we go. Oh, oh man, that was a stubborn beat. Oh my god, that was killer. Oh, the beat is stubborn. It keeps popping back in. What a. All right, we're gonna start on the other side to take the tire off because this side is just. I just hate this side. Let's start on this side actually. We'll start on the side that's annoying. Remember, lube cheap, rim expensive, but we've already caused a significant amount of damage to this one, so the thing keeps popping up. It's so annoying. Oh, come on. There we go. I'm gonna have to get two in there. All right, here we go. Somewhat pliable now. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay. That it? That is all. That's all that's needed. So lube is actually very important. Lube is critical, like with many things in life. I don't even, dude, I started like over here, I'm like halfway across the room, like holy crap. It's a good thing I'm getting this room painted. Oh yeah, that was not good. All right, so got the tire off. That was interesting.
All right, so here's the rim. So as you can see, this is the side that I had difficulties with because you see all these extra scratch marks here from the bead breaker. So they are pretty gnarly, man. Look at all this. Holy cow. Oh, oh, yeah, you get the idea. Oh my God. Wow, look at that one. Wow, this is brutal. All right, that was that. So the part I do want to get painted is actually over here. So so you can see those touch-up paint areas there. Just disgusting. Just absolutely ugly. I like I said, I got some random white paint to try to do it to touch up the scratches myself. Just disgusting. So I know you can't really see them, but I can. I'm just gonna get this thing fixed. I'll see. I'll see what it costs. I mean, if this guy's mixing paint anyway, I'll see what it costs to do the inside, just to just to touch this up a little bit. I mean, you'll never see it otherwise, but why not, right? I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna give you my final thoughts coming up. Oh my, oh my God. I don't even know what to say about that. Obviously, it's my first time doing it, so I'm sure that there are techniques that would have helped me do that better. Maybe there aren't. I don't know. I do believe that this is an invaluable skill to know. I have, I have no reason to say that, no one should know how to change their own tires. I think that having the tools and the know-how doing this will come in handy one day. Not the best thing on white rims, as you saw. Now, would I recommend to anyone else do this? If you want to challenge yourself, you want to say, "Hey, I know how to do this." By all means, go ahead. As far as the tools go, quick discussion about the tools. So, in discussing with mechanics, everyone recommends get the spoon type of levers, not the hooks. Although I've worked at shops where they basically just use the hooks because they're gonna hook in a certain way to help grab the tire on the other side. These I this particular tool I would not use as a spoon. These I don't know what these are made of, to be honest with you, but they're much softer. Did they mess up the rim on the inside? I'm gonna go with yeah, probably. But these are much more abrasive. These things are killer. As far as value goes, I got them when they were discounted to like $50. The Motion Pro things are over $100. And why pay more for the same, right? These things I got for $20. It was a set with the rim guards and a couple of valve cores and the valve core removal tool. That's all you really need. This tire lube, I don't know, that was like $5. So you can definitely save money. Absolutely, you can definitely save money changing your tires yourself. If you want to put in the time, it actually doesn't take that long, to be honest with you. I mean, but in terms of value, or rather, in terms of savings, cost savings, you'll save a lot of money changing your own tires without a doubt. These tools pay for themselves after the first tire change. But do you want to go through the effort? Again, if you want to, some people do. Some people swear by changing their own tires. That's okay. If you have painted rims that you really care about, I would recommend uh, to use a tire machine because the chances of them getting damaged are less. I'm fortunate that these sport bike tires have soft sidewalls because I can't. I mean, I guess I could imagine like those hardwall cruiser tires must be a pain in the ass to do by hand. So I can't imagine that being a good idea unless you have to, or unless you want to, of course. I think I mentioned this in the first video. If you have um, uh, a dirt bike with unpainted rims and they're narrow, this here is an absolute great thing to have. I think that dirt bike tires rims get damaged all the time anyway. I think that if you change them yourself, you're going to save hundreds and hundreds of dollars over the life of your bike and every motorcycle. that you have. So I think that doing your own tires on those bikes would be a lot uh, probably easier. The front tire was much easier than the rear tire. I would say if you want to save a couple bucks, just taking the tires, take the wheels off yourself and just taking the wheels, save time and money. Um, I've worked in several motorcycle shops. Make an appointment, okay? Because if they try to fit it in, you're not going to see your rims for like 3 or 4 weeks, so more. Okay, I think I've covered it all. Thank you for joining me on this particular adventure. That was a challenge, and I'm glad we went through it together. Thank you for watching this video. Coming up next, we're going to be doing some service items on the motorcycle, oil change, greasing everything, cleaning brake calipers. We're going to make it look beautiful. Again, thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe, would help me a lot. Please go to MotoAcademy.ca, and I'm going to see you on the next Moto Breakdown video.